Morning everyone. This is Plaza Independencia, and the story of Plaza Independencia is Plaza Independencia is one of the most historical and significant places in Cebu. At the center stands an obelisk dedicated to Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, the first Spanish Governor General of the Philippines, who established here the first Spanish settlement in the country. Its role in the history of Cebu is reflected on the evolution of its name. In the early 1600s, the park was called Plaza de Armas, a public square used as military training and parade grounds. When it was expanded later to reach nearby properties of the Cathedral of Cebu, it was called Plaza Mayor. Later in the Spanish rule, it was christened Plaza Maria Cristina in honor of the reigning queen during the American colonial period. Its name was changed to Plaza Libertad, acknowledging the liberation from Spanish rule. Finally, when the colonial masters had all left, it became Plaza Independencia, which stands for independence. Pre-Hispanic human bones and some earthenware were uncovered in the course of the excavation while the SRP tunnel was constructed in 2006. The plaza was rehabilitated and was reopened in May 8, 2011.